We will talk about reinish test. Reinish test is indicator for presence of heavy metal in biological sample. At the end of this section, we should know diagnosis, principle, result, and value of this test. At first, the test depends on precipitation of heavy metals on copper foil, giving certain color, followed by sublimation step for differentiation. We take copper foil and boiled it with diluted HCl, then add suspected material and continuing boiling. We will find either mirror-like appearance, or violet colored foil, or black to gray colored foil. If the sample is mirror-like appearance, this means that the sample may be silver or mercury. But if it is a violet in color, it indicates the presence of antimony or tin. If the sample is black or grayish in color, this means it may be arsenic or bismuth. So, again, if the container contains a mirror-like appearance, it may be silver or mercury. If it is a violet with T, it may be antimony by T or tin. If it is black, so A or B, arsenic or bismuth. To differentiate between the two heavy metals, we should do sublimation step under microscope, which is a conversion from the solid form to the gas form. If the container is a mirror-like, which is a silver or mercury, after sublimation, if we found under microscope the black spherical globules or spots, it indicated the sample is mercury. But if we found under the microscope octa and tetrahedral crystals, this indicates arsenic. Like this picture is showing the crystals. But if we found under microscope black amorphous powder, or it is neither the globules nor black globules, so it is antimony. Black amorphous powders found in this picture. In the exam, we should write positive reinish test, besides talking about diagnosis, result, principle, and value. At first diagnosis, we say container contain copper foil with, it may be violet color, grayish color, or mirror-like deposits, indicating the presence of one or two, and should followed by sublimation stage to differentiate both. For example, if we found the container contain black or grayish deposit, it indicates it is arsenic or bismuth, so we should make sublimation stage to differentiating between both. If we found the container contain mirror-like deposits, it indicates the silver or mercury, also followed by sublimation stage to differentiate both. If the container contain violet deposits, it indicates antimony or tin. Under microscope, if we found like these crystals, octa and tetrahedral crystals, it is arsenic. We will write diagnosis positive reinish test for arsenic. With a result, sublimation tube contain octa and tetrahedral crystals of arsenic. But if we found under microscope the black amorphous spots or globules, it is mercury, so we will write positive reinish test for mercury, and the sublimation tube contain black spherical globules of mercury. But if we found the black amorphous powder, so it is antimony. We will write positive reinish test for antimony, and the result sublimation tube contain black amorphous powder of antimony. The principle: some metals precipitate on copper foil, giving certain color, and the value is a positive for soluble inorganic metals and a negative for insoluble organic metals. Thanks.